Hello everyone, I am James and today let's try to solve the problem of this Dell wireless mouse. You see, this mouse, it has problem with the scroll. Whenever I try to scroll it, you can see I am scrolling it down, but the page keeps moving up and down. It does not work properly. If I move it up also, same thing. Sometimes it goes up, sometimes it comes down. So let's try to solve this problem. So first we need to disassemble it. For that, first of all, remove the battery. So first remove this top one. Zoric 88 spray and check. Just spray it a little, not too much. Scroll.
12 o'clock p.m. 29.8 degree Celsius.
Okay, now we will connect and check. Set the battery. Cover it. So now let's connect it and check. Oh, let's see. It's still the same. Sometimes again it's going up, down, but it's still the same. So let's disassemble it and check. Just remove this. Here there is a screw. Remove the screw. So removing the screw, push it in this way and pull it here. This is the scroll. So first we'll take out the PCB. No, fish already on. We need to be careful with our fingers. Actually, this switch, it works like a volume control of few of the hi-fi music systems. Okay, I have to remove this as well. This is the one that makes the scroll step as if the scroll is moving step by step. So here we go, this is the one, this is the switch. So there is no problem with this one, but here this roller, here you can see here there is a problem. This is a arm that slide into these grooves, here the conductive grooves. So up down is selected by this. So here you see one is bent. Let me straighten it. You see all these 3 points should be the same, at the same height, same tension, same placement. So now let's connect it and see once again. If it does not work, then we need to replace the switch. And if you do not have the switch, what we can do is, if we have any abandoned mouse, even if it is not a wireless, you can even use a corded mouse, switch from a corded mouse, and you can use a switch from the corded mouse and just replace it. So let's check it. So now let's check this. You see, it's working fine now. Scrolling down, scrolling up. See, it's good now. Scroll is good. Take a screw, fix it up. Okay, now okay, it's good. Okay, let's fix this one. Okay, here we go. So I have to switch it off, on. As you can see, this is a Dell mouse, but the method which I use for repairing this can be used for any of the wireless scrolling, or even the wired mouse. It can be used for wireless as well as wired mouses which the scroll is not working fine. Hope this video is going to be helpful for you in solving the scroll problem of your computer mouse. If this video was helpful for you, kindly hit the like icon, share the video, and subscribe to our channel if you're not yet subscribed. Thank you for watching everyone. Have a good time.